have that option.
Stop asking.
That option has disappeared.
Hold
I'm
up.
not asking you. I'm telling you.
Hold up. It happened when?
If you bite me, you're gonna
Stop.
Get
Stop
off
resisting.
Of me. Get
Stop
off
resisting.
Of me.
Stop resisting.
Get off of
Stop
me.
resisting.
Get off of
stop
me.
resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop.
I can smell alcoholic beverage coming off
Smell
your breath. You're dropping
Smell
stuff.
it. Let me finish what I'm saying and be very respectful about it. My thing is, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm hurt.
December 5th, 2024, just after a.m. at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Officers respond to reports of a woman yelling near the baggage area. She's confused, distressed, and barely holding it together. Officers sense alcohol. Her story doesn't line up. What started as a simple check is turning strange fast.
Yes. Hey, Matt, give me 1 second, please. I'm talking to the cops. Or security. Sorry. I talked to them yesterday. I had several little tickets to here yesterday.
Normally the boarding pass is in like a wallet. Did you download it to your Apple wallet or anything?
So I downloaded it. It was only one. Hold on. It was only one of the three because I have 3 flights.
What airline is it?
I have to go to like San Fran,
What airline
Denver.
are you flying?
AIL or
No, what airlines you flying with?
Fresno or something.
No, ain't no Fresno. It might be where you
It's like United. That's the word. United for Fresno. That's like what I actually use.
Are you flying with anyone or?
Yeah. So my boyfriend at the time, bought the actual ticket. He bought it in the actual San Fran. Let me actually go back. Actually, it was an old number. So hold on.
Well, I'm
sorry.
just unless you have an active boarding pass, you're not gonna be able to get through TSA.
I do. He bought.
Hey, if you
Here
go
it is. These.
It's not the ticket.
They're not tickets.
Okay, there it is now. Okay, that's
Yeah. I was here the other day.
So you got to connect the
So
flights.
it's this, and then it was these the other day. My flights got moved the other day. So it was starting after, not this, but this.
Tap that one right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
Hold on, slow down.
to
You can
IHA.
see where's the date at.
So this was yesterday. They had me come back today for my birth certificate and my social security. My ID was in my pocket and it broke in half. So they had me do a whole just new day.
If you're into real, unfiltered police encounters, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop stories like this every day.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Can I check or is that not allowed?
We're checking. They said that they might have seen them.
Okay, it was just a regular black bag with like gold
And you said you had
accents.
it today?
Yes. If y'all saw it, it has the actual ticket in it, and then it also has like my mouthwash, my toothbrush.
Is that your stuff over here?
Like Sarah?
Come over here. Let's go over here.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
She's not just lost at the airport. She's lost in life. A broken ID, no clear answers, and exhaustion in her voice. Something deeper is unraveling.
These are mine now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you have a license?
I don't have a license. I have an ID.
said an
This
ID?
I broke in half.
That's right. Did you have it?
Yes, I do. My med stuff is everywhere. Oh my gosh.
So you just threw your stuff out on the floor?
They threw it down.
Let's see
Pardon
your
my
ID.
language.
Is your ID?
Pardon my language, but still. It's been several hours. I've been here since like 7, 8. I have to find
You
it
said
all
you
over
had her
again.
ID.
They say she had threw all that stuff out over the floor.
But I didn't throw it on the floor though.
I don't know.
No, I know, but I'm literally saying it's like when I got here, they wouldn't accept it. It was on the floor. But I've been up since like 6 a.m. So give me 1 second to get this ID. They wouldn't accept it yesterday, so I got my ID, my birth certificate.
Let me see your
my-
birth certificate. Let me see your birth certificate.
Have you been anywhere before here today? Or?
Where in the world are you watching this from? Drop your city or country in the comments. We are reading everyone.
Look, we're here for you. We're trying to figure out what's going on. So we got a call that you were screaming, you were upset and everything. So and then we came here and your bag's over here, and I just know you're in the TSA line.
Yeah.
But without that boarding pass, you
Yesterday.
can't go through TSA. Like they're not going to allow it, and I don't want you to be. Hey, what's her name? What's your name?
India.
India.
Like on the map. India. Yes. So yesterday, I was actually on the little line for it, and I forgot the woman's name. She told me like, she's like, give me 1 second. I'm sorry.
She got all these tickets, but
She came over here cussing and screaming earlier about
somebody called us about.
Yeah, because she's
Somebody
she's supposed to be on that 11:15 departure, so she's missed that.
And she done.
Yeah, it's 11:05 right now. They're closing the door.
So what did she?
I don't know what.
I know when I was out there, she was walking up and down by where everybody was in line to go through security on her phone, and she was loud. I couldn't hear what she was saying, but she was being really loud. And then she was sitting down over there by the doors, and we could hear her all the way from
Yeah,
here.
that's what we got called about. They called from over there saying some lady out here cussing and hollering and threw all the stuff out on the floor.
Because I know she came from the security checkpoint, so I don't know if she got up there and they told her
But
what
she's
she
in the
had.
line over there, and they the ones who called those the clear people.
Yeah.
Said she was over there, so we trying to see if she had a ticket. You can print that out. Like I said, she showed all these boarding passes. Something she said happened yesterday. I guess she was up here yesterday.
Their rules afterwards. I just gave them that information.
No, I understand.
They told me to come back the next day with like
I'm saying,
my
so
information.
no, I'm just trying to understand. So
I'm sorry, I have to dry mouth.
There you go. So you came back today. You got rebooked onto new flights, right?
Yes. New,
Okay.
I have my birth certificate, my ID, and everything.
And you're saying your flight is flying out at 11.
yes.
Okay, and then.
But it's important.
No, but I'm saying, I'm just trying to figure out how did we get to where we were? Where
My
'cause
ID
you were
snapped in my back pocket.
no, I understand that.
Yeah.
You told me that. I'm saying, so you were in line, okay? Your stuff was over here, and your flight was leaving at 11.
Yeah, yesterday.
How did we get to this?
Yesterday, they wouldn't accept my ID. I have it. I snuffed it in half. Again, like I said, everything's valid.
Are you from?
wow.
You said you're from Texas.
I'm from Texas. I'm born in Georgia, but again, I was raised in
Your
Texas.
ID's out of Texas, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Like all my IDs for school and what's it called? Like health or whatever.
Yeah.
It's all like Texas IDs. So on the actual copy, it says white ID.
So do you have anyone else here with you today?
With me, no. Yesterday.
Did you drive here?
No, I got dropped off.
You got dropped off?
Okay. I just had my ID.
Do you have anyone? Do you have anyone like that like lives nearby?
I have a friend that lives in Rockwall, but she just dropped me off.
She just dropped you off.
Yeah, she just dropped me off and went to her boyfriend's.
Okay.
That's all that. Okay. All right. Let me explain this to her.
Like literally with whole boyfriend thingy. Let me actually, I guess, bring it up.
Yeah.
Hold on. Before you call everybody and all that on.
Yeah.
Before you call. So this is the deal.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to be on 11:15 flight.
Yes.
And you don't miss that one now. You don't miss that one because it's 11 o'clock. They said they already closed. So
They did it again.
listen,
Okay.
listen, where you, I don't know. It's not their problem.
No, I'm
It's
listening.
your problem, I guess.
It's their problem.
And so, because you're not getting through security.
Yeah.
So they booked you for another flight
Yeah.
at 1:07 p.m. today. You'll get in Denver at 2:58. Then you'll go from Denver to where you going? Fresno?
Fresno.
Going Fresno. I
Yes.
leave at 3:25 in Denver. So these are your two boarding passes.
Thank you. I've been here since yesterday.
Okay, I
Thank
can't
you
help
so.
you.
No, I'm not mad at all. I'm
okay,
saying
I don't
thank
know.
you.
Okay.
No, I'm telling you thank you because yesterday was a long ass day and I didn't get anything done until 6 o'clock. Thank you.
This isn't just intoxication. This is trauma, a young woman spiraling under the weight of betrayal. Her words stumble between pain and paranoia.
You were already past your flight, and a cleaner found your stuff in the men's restroom.
They did
Okay?
the stuff yesterday also.
This isn't what anyone else did. We're watching you. You just dropped all this stuff on the floor. I'm not talking about how this got here.
Yesterday also, they put my stuff in the other men's bathroom. Like literally, what I was asking for yesterday.
You see what's going on?
It fell out. I know. I'm trying to sit up here and put it out. Like I'm perfectly aware of what's happening around.
Yeah, we don't want this stuff to be just scattered on the floor. Is that your ID right there?
It is. Yes. I'm trying to put it all in. It's just a regular basic folder. It's in here. And if you must know, my main ID.
Come here. Listen.
Yes.
So I'm trying to explain to you what's going on. Get your birth certificate.
Yeah.
Get your birth certificate. Quit wrinkling it all up. Get all these papers here in the folder. Put all this stuff in the folder. Show us your ID.
My ID broke in half.
Okay, where is it at? Because you're going to need that to go through TSA.
I broke my ID in half and they wouldn't accept it because.
When emotion turns to aggression, control slips away. What began as heartbreak erupts into violence. The officers now face a different threat, raw desperation.
Right now, they're not going to fight. It's not going to happen. Okay, if you're throwing your stuff around, if you're yelling and screaming and cursing, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, all right. Do you want to fly?
I want to fly. She stole from me. I'm listening. What I'm saying is, I understand what I'm going through. She stole from me. My thing is, before her, my credit score was 690. Sir,
go to jail?
I hear you. I don't want to go to jail, and I hear exactly what you're saying. Let me finish what I'm saying, and I can be very respectful about it. My thing is, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm hurt.
You listen. You're not listening.
Okay?
What's up with you? What you want to do? 'Cause, I mean, we're not getting nowhere right now.
All right, man.
My thing is, I'm showing immense amount of hurt, and you're thinking I'm being disrespectful.
Well, he's trying to
I'm
talk to
showing
you.
hurt.
You're not listening.
He hasn't said anything. I'm ready to listen.
I've been trying to talk to you for a while
Please
now.
talk.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
You haven't?
Way earlier, it was barely anything. It was like a small, not even a shot.
Okay.
I'm good. Like I said, I'm more hurt by the fact my mom stole that from me.
All right.
My mom's stealing from me.
All right.
And it's so hold up. Her pulling 7 braids out my hair hurts more.
Go ahead and stand up for me. All right, and then just face the window.
For what?
Face the window.
For what?
Just turn around and face the
Am
window.
I getting arrested?
Yeah, put your hands.
Yeah, no.
Put your hands.
Yeah, no.
India.
I'm telling you, I'm hurt because she did that. And you're
It's going to be arrested for public intoxication.
my thing is, it's not public intoxication. I'm hurt. I'm not hurt.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get
Stop
off of
resisting.
me. Get
Stop
off
resisting.
of me.
Stop resisting.
Get off 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 of me.
You don't
I
have.
will most definitely
You do not
stop
have that option.
Stop asking.
That option has
Stop
disappeared.
asking me. Hold
I'm
up.
not asking you. I'm telling you.
Hold up. It happened when?
If you bite me,
I let you.
you're gonna get a charge.
It's so funny how. Have you ever considered she had a bad day?
Hey.
Have you considered she had a bad day?
Public intoxication is only Class C. If you keep going this route, you're gonna catch another
No,
charge.
what I'm saying is, have you considered she had a bad day? Leave me alone.
Listen, you gonna get up? If you try to bite me again, you're gonna get another charge. If you try to bite me. You hear
Do you
me?
understand?
You're gonna get up and walk. Huh? Are you gonna get up and walk?
You twisting my arm
Yeah, I'm gonna twist it.
more? You twisting my arm to hurt more doesn't give you an answer. Just say you no.
Are you gonna get up and walk?
You twisting my arm does not give you an answer. He's great at his job.
Watch your back. Watch your
He's
back.
amazing.
Come on, man. Watch out.
Please lock me up. He's a great attorney lawyer. I'm spit in your face if I was a real if I was a real but I'm respectful like that. Yeah, I don't feel like it.
Hey, listen.
Yeah? I feel like it. You don't feel like it? Literally, you could have left me alone. You're out here mad at the Oh, my pin's out. Oh, not my pin being out.
Hey, if you kick, you're gonna get another charge.
Oh, eat my ass.
I'm not really gonna do that. Okay, go ahead, bud. Yeah, Red. We're gonna need some assistance.
I mean, y'all out here, hold up, there are literal rapists outside, and you're worried about a 24-year-old girl? You bored-ass
They got some
bitches?
assault charges too. On the peace officer.
24-year-old! There are 30-year-old rapists outside right now, and you're worried about a 24-year-old. How do y'all sit up here? Close the door! Close the door!
Put your leg over.
No. No.
There's a feet in there.
What's on the door?
They're freaking leg.
My toe can lose blood. I don't care, nigga. I never cared. This toe.
You go right there. Hey, what's you got a report number yet or no?
We're gonna file a PI and assault on public peace officer. She spit.
She kicked me in the face.
Kick. Yeah.
So
She kicked me. But she tried to bite me on my leg.
yeah, she tried to bite mine too.
Hey, quit kicking that one.
You so
Come on.
Yeah, go.
That's what's been happening.
I don't care. For another. What I'm going through is literal hell, and y'all are literally adding on to it. Y'all don't stop predators. You not.
Easy. I got one leg.
Just search it basically in here.
I got legs.
Between you.
You got it? Yeah, I got feet.
Alright. Yeah, search it. There's nothing in there. It's literally a search with an old person. Hold on.
Cross the
Let me
leg.
show you. My dog died so days ago. And I'm sad. And y'all doing this. All of you, I hope your whole family reads the worst of their life.
Let her down. You good?
I know you don't care. You know what? I'm dealing with it just to go through it. But you, your lineage, your children.
In the end, it wasn't just about a flight, it was about a breakdown in full public view. This is what pain sounds like when no one listens.
Whatever, ready.
Was this